Hello, everyone. This is Understanding the SDGs, an interpreter's take. This time, this is the 10th video. Welcome. And this time, the topic is about sustainability and food. We discuss the relationship between sustainability and food. Okay, let's start. This is the table of contents. I have 5 points to discuss. Number one, how much water do we need to make beef? Do you know? Number two, how much food waste is there? How much food we make and throw away without eating? Number three, what do SDGs 6 and 12.3 say? We look at two SDGs. Number four, what is cell-cultured meat? This is a new word, cell-cultured meat. This is the most important concept to understand in this video. And number five, what are the challenges? We talk about the future of cell-cultured meat. Okay, so let's start. First, how much water do we need to make beef? Do you know the answer? This is the answer. Every 1 kilogram of beef requires 15,000 to 20,000 liters of water. Okay, this is a big number. So 1 kilogram, right? 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams of this beef needs 15,000 to 20,000 liters of water. So we need a lot of water to make just 1 kilogram of beef. This is a big problem because many people want to eat beef. For example, you go to McDonald's and you eat hamburgers, right? And hamburgers have beef, and beef requires a lot of water. We need to change the way we make beef, okay? This is the second point. How much food waste is there in this world? The answer is 1/3 of the food produced is thrown away. So 1/3 is 33%. 33%. So if you make 100 sets of food or Big Mac set, 33 of these meal sets will be thrown away. You don't eat 33. You eat only 67. This is the meaning of 1/3 of the food produced being thrown away. This is a problem, a very, very big problem. So let's go to number three. What do SDGs 6 and 12.3 say? Okay, today we look at two Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. So SDG 6 says that we need to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. This means that we need to control the water. We should not use too much water. We should control. We should manage the water use. And the water needs to be clean. Sanitation is for clean water. Okay? So SDG 6 is about water. SDG 12.3 says that by 2030, halve global food waste per capita at the retail and consumer levels. Okay? So this word halve may be difficult, but this means that we need to decrease the global food waste per person, for every person, to 50%. Halve means to make it half, 50%. Retail means the business to sell products, to sell goods. When you go to supermarket, that's retail. Consumer is about you. Consumer is about me. People who consume, people who use something are consumers. Okay? So this goal, 12.3, means that by 2030, so it's in 7 years from now. Now it's 2023. So in 7 years, we need to reduce 50% of the global food waste for each one of us at the supermarket and other retail and consumer, our levels. So if you eat and throw away 1/3, then you need to reduce that food loss by half. That is SDG 12.3. Okay? So use water better and reduce food waste. Those are the SDGs 6 and 12.3. Okay? So in order to do this, what do we do? Let's go to number 4. What is cell-cultured meat? This is a new word. Please check the meaning of cell-cultured meat in Japanese. Okay? So this is the food tech webinar or seminar online that I did simultaneous interpretation 2 years ago. Yes, 2 years ago. And this seminar had welcomed this person, Dr. Patricia. She is the CEO. She is the president of the company called Obilium Bio. I'm going to talk about cell-cultured meat through this company's initiative. Okay? So I did the seminar's interpretation, and I learned a lot about cell-cultured meat. So what is cell-cultured meat? Usually, when you make a beef, you need cows. You need cows, right? You need animals. You kill the animals, and you get the beef from the cows, right? But you need a lot of water to feed cows, to grow cows. And killing animals is not the best way. So we need to think about a different way, a second way, a new way of producing meat. And that is cell-cultured meat. So cell is one part of our body. We take cells from cows, just one cell, like this. Pick up one cell, and we culture. Culture means to grow those cells that we get from cows. And these cells grow, and these cells become meat. Okay? So if you take cells and grow the cells to make beef or meat, you do not kill the cows. You do not kill the animals. You don't have to. You don't need to kill the cows or animals. It's a better way. Okay? And if you make meat from the cells, it goes like this, and it becomes cell cultured meat or lab cultured meat. Okay, this is the beef made by Obilium Bio. What do you think? This looks like a perfect beef, right? This looks like a perfect meat. Okay, all right. So this is the cell cultured meat. Please remember that if you make meat from cell cultured method, you don't have to use a lot of water. You don't have to kill the animals. So it's better for the planet. It's good for the earth. So it's good for SDGs, right? But what are the challenges? Okay, I will talk about the challenges of cell cultured meat in general. So there are at least two challenges. One is about price. Two is about taste. One is about price. So the question is, can cell cultured meat be less expensive? This means that the cost of making cell cultured meat is still too high, too expensive. We need to make a better technology to decrease the price. Okay, so this is one challenge. Second challenge is taste. Can cell cultured meat taste just like animal meat? This is a difficult question. If you eat cell cultured meat, it tastes almost the same as animal meat, normal meat, but it tastes a little bit different, some people say. So if the taste is different, then consumers, we people, may not like it, may not accept the cell cultured meat. This may be a problem. So taste will be better, will have to be better. This is the consumer's acceptance issue. Those are the two challenges about cell cultured meat. But there may be more challenges, more problems, more issues about cell cultured meat. But I understand that there are many startup companies in the world that are trying their best to make a better cell cultured meat at lower prices. So I respect their work. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you understood the relationship between sustainability and food. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.